Right, the first thing we're going to do now is we're actually going to pop in the, I'll put it down here, so the rocker panel quick charger. So all you have to do that is like so pop out the old one. So if you just push a trim tool in here, it'll lift out. I've already like popped that one out, sorry. That'll like sort of actually lift out. And this bottom bit like comes unclipped. So if you get your trim tool in here and like pop up here, and I'll sort of actually pop up on like this side, it'll easily come up. And then that actually gives you enough of room if you come forward here to get to this cigarette lighter's plug, which you can just unplug, and you can see that's a 3-pin plug there. And if you look at what you have here, you've got the exact same thing. So the whole point of this is to piggyback on and plug it in. So what we will do is unwrap this a bit so we can easily get it through. We can tape it back up afterwards because there's probably a bit too much cable on here. Unwrap this. These won't fit through, so just pull this off, push down, pull off, like so. Run this up through here. Plug this back in, like so. And then we can come here and grab that plug you just unplugged. And I will try and get that so you can see this plug here. Grab your piggyback. There's a fuse in line in here, so everything will be good and well. Plug this in. What have we got here? We'll plug this in like so, like that. So excuse my grunting, I'm just trying to make it so you can sort of see. So we're plugging in this piggyback to the other one we took out, so that's plugged in. Then this here plugs back into your cigarette lighter, like so. Now you could actually pull this whole thing out to make it a bit easier for you, but you can do it without pulling it out, so that's sort of why I do it like this. Once you've got that, that'll push up into there. This will click back down. Just for when you're plugging the piggyback back in here, the curved end was like facing towards us. You can see in the plug there's a curved end. This will clip in, again, a rounded end out towards the outside. So we'll push that down and in, like so. And there is your quick charge port all in there. PD quick charge port, pretty straightforward. The only thing we'll do is put a bit of tape around this so we don't have each cable sort of lying around, and we'll be good.